and welcome back to Erudemy Learning. Last video, we learned about the functions and features of the looks blocks. Today, we are going to do the same with the sound blocks through two very simple programs. But first, let me tell you a bit about the sound blocks. So let's go. These are the sound blocks. They are used to control the sound and scratch. They are color-coded magenta and have the same blocks for both sprite and the stage. They consist of 8 stack blocks and a reporter block. Now that we have an initial understanding of what are the sound blocks, let's move on to making the two very fun programs. So let's go. For today, we are going to start with the Orchestra Program. First, delete the cat sprite and add the saxophone and drum kit sprites. Then apply the theatre backdrop. Place the drum kit and the saxophone in the center of the stage like this. First, we are going to write Saxophone Script. Go to Events tab and take when green flag click block. Then go to Controls tab and take the repeat loop. Change the loop number from 10 to 5. Then go to the Looks tab and take the next costume block. From the Sound tab, take the Start Sound block. Let the tune of the start sound stay C2 sax. Then go to Controls tab and take Wait 1 second block. Change the 1 second to 0.25 seconds. Then go to the Motions tab and take Turn Right 15 degrees block. Put the script inside the loop. Repeat writing this loop from next costume to turn right 15 degrees more 3 times with me. For the second repeat, we are going to change the C2 sax to G sax. This time we are going to take turn left 15 degrees instead of right. Put this inside the loop. Change the C2 sax to C sax. Even this time, take turn left 15 degrees block. Put it inside the loop. This one is our last repeat. This time, the tune will be F sax. This time take turn right 15 degrees. We have completed writing the saxophone script. You can experiment with these tunes and make a new tune of your own. But for now, to complement the saxophone's music, I thought of to add some drum music. So go to the drum sprites script area and let's write its script. First, go to the Events tab and take when green flag click block. Then go to the Controls tab and take the repeat loop. Change the loop number from 10 to 5. Then go to the Sound tab and take Start Sound block. Let the tune be low tom. Then go to the Controls tab and take Wait 1 second block. Change the 1 second to 0.50 seconds. Go to the Motions tab and take Glide 1 second to x and y coordinates. Don't change the x coordinates. Change the y coordinates to 0. Then go to the Looks tab and take the next costume block. Duplicate this script. Change the start sound tune from low tom to drum bass 1. Then change the y coordinates in glide 1 seconds to x and y coordinates to -75, 4. Join both of these scripts and put them in the loop. We have now completed our program. Let's run it. You saw how the instruments were playing such a soothing music. You can experiment with different types of instruments from the Sprites tab and make tunes of your own. Now let's move on to our next program. Miss Megan on stage. First, take a new scratch window. Delete the cat sprite and add the singer 1 sprite. Then apply the spotlight backdrop. Place the singer, whom I named Miss Megan, in the center of the stage. Go to Miss Megan's script area and let's write the script. First, go to the Events tab and take when green flag click block. Then go to the Sounds tab up here and import 3 sounds: Singer 1, Singer 2 and Cheer. Then come back to the script. Then go to the Sounds tab and take two start sound blocks and a play sound until done block. Then change the first start sound blocks to Singer 1 and the second start sound block to Singer 2. Let the play sound be Cheer. Then go to the Controls tab and take 2 wait 1 second blocks. Change both of the seconds to 2. Place them like this. We have completed writing the script. So let's run it. You heard how it sounds like the singer is actually singing. The tunes go up and down, and at the end we have a cheer, just like in a concert. You can explore the Sounds tab and make cool programs of your own. I hope you like the programs we made today. See you next time. Until then, bye!